my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig review, as I'm sure you can tell by the title. Thank you so much to Arabella Hair for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, okay, just look at it. Look at it, get into it. Like, the unit is actually gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I love the length, I love the color, and the best part is it's not even glued down. Okay, get into it. It's not even glued down. Like, come on, like it's a winner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover for this part. I'm gonna show you guys me unboxing it and like how I did the little installation and everything. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay guys, so this unit, like I said, is by Arabella Hair. So you guys can see I'm just unboxing everything that came in your little gift bag. We got a scarf, some lashes, a little edge tool, this super cute little pearl clip, and of course a wig cap. And the unit that we're going to be reviewing today is this 16-inch 4x4 closure unit in the color chestnut brown. It is so beautiful, you guys. The body wave pattern is gorgeous. The unit is very, very soft. It is a silky texture. And it smells good. There was no like factory smell to this unit. And then you guys can see that you get several combs. You get one at the top, two on the sides, one in the back. And then of course you get those regular adjustable bands inside of the wig cap. But they sew down an elastic band in the inside of the unit so you can actually wear this one glueless. The lace on this one is just like a regular, very light colored lace. So I went ahead and used the Eben lace tint. I believe I have it in the color natural brown, and then I went ahead and just put it on my head. So initially I was planning to glue this unit down with the Got To Be spray, but I ended up not needing to do that at all, which is super duper exciting. I love a glueless unit. It's just so easy. And I feel like this one worked perfectly because it was a middle part. So after I put the unit on, I went ahead and used my hot comb just to go ahead and flatten out some of those areas. I also have a wax stick, so I went ahead and used that as well. I just applied that to the top around the part and then went back over it with the hot comb. And then this unit, like I said, is 16 inches, but it does not come with any layers in it. So to me, when I had it on without the layers, I was like, this is not giving. So I went ahead and tried to cut a few layers in just to kind of frame my face and give it a little body. So you guys can see I basically just curled the unit. I went over it like each piece one time. I honestly should have flat ironed like the top part first just to get out some of that wavy texture, and then went ahead and curled it. But girl, this worked out just fine. So if you are someone who doesn't like to do too much work to a unit, this one is definitely going to be the one for you. As far as the cap size, I would say it is like average head. Like, it fit on my head pretty good, honestly. I didn't feel that it was too tight. Of course, if you have a smaller head, you can definitely use those adjustable straps inside of the unit, as well as that extra elastic band. I did use a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the middle of the part. I did not do any plucking at all to this unit. So if you are new to wigs, girl, and you are trying to figure out how you can style a little unit without too much work, girl, this is going to be the way. Okay, so use the elastic band so it's glueless, and then just use some Fit Me powder or some type of powder in the middle of your part just to kind of blend it in. Initially, I put the Elastic QP foaming mousse on my little one baby hair in the middle, but honestly, that really wasn't holding it down. So I went ahead and just used a little bit of my Style Factor Edge Control right on top of it, and it worked out perfectly. Overall, I am definitely in love with this unit. I absolutely love the color. I actually thought it was going to be a little darker than this, but this color is actually so pretty, and it's not ombre or anything, and I feel like it looks just so good. So I love how this style turned out. Of course, everything's going to be linked in the description box down below for you guys. Thank you once again to Arabella Hair for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Turn your post notifications on. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.